So here I am, sat on the grass, and I'm about to really connect with the plant nettle. I really like this plant. I've always liked this plant. So I'm going to get down close and I'm really going to look and see what nettle's all about. My cat George is with me, so if you hear purring, you'll know that's George. So let me get really close. Here we are. Can you see the nettle? Oh, well actually, yeah, you can see the nettle. So that's the nettle plant that I'm looking at. Give it a bit more space. I really like it. So I'm going to really look at nettle. I don't want to get my face too close because I do know that nettle stings. But I'm coming really close and I'm having a really good look. And I'm noticing the colour of my nettle. I'm noticing the shape of its stalk. I'm noticing that it's got little hairy bits on its stalk. And I'm noticing where the leaves come off. And they come off in pairs, like one comes off and then another comes off. I don't know if you can see because we're so low in the grass now. Lots of grass in the way, I think. Let's see if we can bring it down a little bit without getting stung. So there's my nettle. And I'm noticing that the stalk of the leaf is a different colour to the stalk. And I love the smell of the grass, and as I bring my face really close to the earth, I love the smell I can smell. And I can see the shape of the leaves. And nettles have heart-shaped leaves, beautiful heart-shaped leaves. And it has amazing veins on its leaf, if you can see the beauty of nettle. It's a very green plant. And I love all the notches that you can see on the leaves. And I know it will sting me if I get too close. And when I look at the nettle, it makes me feel very happy. I love the greenness of it. I love the way it looks in the sun. I love the shape of the leaves. I love that if I can touch it underneath, that it doesn't sting me. And I like the way the light shines through the leaf. As I put my head on the ground and I look up, I can see the light shining up through the leaf. And I feel very peaceful as I look at this lovely green light. And it's like I can hear the nettle saying, relax, relax. I can feel how strong it is. I can feel how deep its roots go in the earth. And as I sit here, lie here in the sunshine with the nettle, I can just allow myself to dream, to hear the birds, so next time you are out and about, lie down next to a plant that you like and really look at it, really look at all its colours and its shape. And then notice how it makes you feel to be looking at that plant. And then lie down next to it and let yourself dream. Listen to the plant, maybe it tells you something. Let yourself dream as you lie on the earth next to this beautiful plant.